Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 24 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 1877. Minimize maximum pair sum in array. So let's read the problem statement. The pair sum of a pair a comma b is equal to a plus b. The maximum pair sum is the largest pair sum in a list of pairs. For example, if we have pairs like this 1, 5, 2, 3 and 4, 4, the maximum pair sum would be max of 1 plus 5 or 2 plus 3 or 4 comma 4. So among them max is 8. So we have given an array nums of even length n. We have to pair up the elements of nums into n by 2 pairs such that each element of nums is in exactly one pair and the maximum pair sum is minimized. So whatever the pairs that I am planning to take, I have to make sure the maximum pair sum it should be minimized. We have to return the minimized maximum pair sum after optimally pairing up the elements. See this example number 1. So here we have elements like this 3, 5, 2, 3. So if I do the pairing of let's say 3 plus 5, 3, 5 and 2 plus 3. So here I'm getting 8 and here I'm getting 5. So among them max is 8. Max pair sum is 8. But can this max pair sum be minimized? That's what we need to do. So let's say if I do the pairing of 3 comma 3, so I will get in this case 6 and the other two elements are 2 plus 5. So here I will get 7. So here if I do pairing like this, so here maximum pair sum is 7 and here maximum pair sum is 8. So this maximum pair sum has to be minimized. So in this case, this is minimum. Can I reduce it further? Maybe 6? I don't think so. So here in this case the output is 7. The elements can be paired up into pairs 3 comma 3 and 5 comma 2. The maximum pair sum is this. That's it. So this is your output. So our maximum pair sum should be minimized. All right. So now from here I have to make the pairs. So definitely we need to make the pairs in an optimal way. So what I can do here, I can sort this array. So if I sort this array, so I will get something like this 2, 3, 3 and 5. So here this is the largest element. So definitely this largest element is going to make a pair with some other element. And if I make the pair of this largest element with some any other element which is also largest, then I will get max value. So what is correct way to do this, or the optimal way? So optimal way is to pair the largest element with the smallest element. In this way you will get the minimized pair sum. Then pick the second largest element and pair it with the second smallest element like this. So I can say to minimize the maximum pair sum, we sort the array and greedily pair the smallest with the largest, because the largest element causes the biggest risk and must be balanced with the smallest to keep the worst sum as small as possible. Clear this thing? So that's what you need to do. Here also you need to do the same thing. So if you sort this, you are going to get what? 2, then 3, then 4, 4, then 5 and then 6. So total 6 elements. So you are going to pair this with this, you are going to get 8. Then you are going to pair this with this, you are going to get 8. You are going to pair this with this, you are going to get 8. So max you have seen so far is 8. That's it. These are the constants. And here if you see this example, so again do the sorting. Sorting is very important for this problem. 1 1 1, Then how many 2s are there? 1 only. Then how many 4s are there? 2. How many 5s are there? 4. So you did sorting. Then here this and this is going to make 6. This and this is going to make 6. Then after that this and this is going to make 6. Then after that uh, this and this is going to make 7. Then in the end this and this is going to make 8. So among them max is 8. So 8 I have to return here. That's it. This is going to my output. So among them we also need to choose the max only, right? But in this way I am able to minimize the maximum pair sum. So now let's write the code. Code is also going to be very simple for this one. So here what you need to do, first you have to do the sorting here. So arrays dot sort, here you have to write nums, and then take one variable sum equal to 0, and let's say it's nothing but nums dot length. And then here you have to just run one loop, int I is equal to 0, I is less than, here n divided by 2, and here I plus plus. We have n divided by 2 pairs only, right? And here what you have to do, sum is equal to, here you can say math dot max of sum, and then here you have to write nums of I plus nums of n minus I minus 1. That's it. And in the end here you have to just return the sum. Now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. So see, all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And the time complexity for this problem is going to be of n log n because of sorting. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys next video. Thank you. Bye bye.